You might think of drones as little more than flying cameras, but they're becoming increasingly valuable as a low-cost, low-risk method for getting things done, whether that's taking an aerial photograph or, and this is kind of scary, assassinating a high-value target. In the world of national security, drones have become a popular tool for gathering intelligence and even for carrying out strikes. But the next generation of drones will be a lot smarter. Today, we're going to look at how AI-powered drones are changing the future of warfare, and yes, there really is such a thing as robot combat drones. But first, welcome back to Knowledge Garage, where we take an in-depth look at the technologies shaping our world and the near future. If you like what you see, hit subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest videos. So let's dive into artificial intelligence and drones, because these two technologies were made for each other. Drones can collect data from the sky, and AI can analyze that data to make decisions quickly and accurately. It's a perfect pairing. One great example of this is in autonomous targeting. Imagine a drone that can identify and track targets without needing a human operator. These drones could be used for surveillance or even for carrying out strikes with a high degree of precision. And the technology is already being developed. Companies like DARPA are working on AI-powered drones that can identify and track multiple targets in real time. The AI algorithms can process visual data from the drone's cameras to recognize faces, read license plates, and even track moving objects. This could be a game changer for military operations, allowing for more precise strikes with less risk to human lives. Real-time decision-making algorithms could allow drones to make decisions in the air without needing human input. This could be useful in a variety of situations, such as when a drone is being attacked by enemy fire or when it needs to navigate through difficult terrain. By giving drones the ability to make their own decisions, we can reduce the cognitive load on human operators and potentially save lives. Now, it's worth mentioning that AI-powered drones are not just for the military. There's a growing number of civilian applications as well. For example, drones could be used for search and rescue missions, delivering goods in remote areas, or even fighting fires. The potential for AI-powered drones is truly exciting. As these technologies continue to develop, we can expect to see them used in a wider range of applications, improving efficiency, accuracy, and safety across industries. But you know what else is pretty cool? Telling people about all the cool stuff happening in the world of tech and science. So if you love learning about new technologies and how they're shaping our world, then we encourage you to hit subscribe so you never miss an upload. And while you're at it, why not leave us a like and comment below to let us know what you think of AI-powered drones? Your feedback helps us make better videos and reach more people who are interested in the same topics you're passionate about. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.